Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe at the red button below or on the bottom right hand corner of this video. Today we're going to start a series of the Terrace Room experience in Cosmopolitan. So today we're going to show you one of the Terrace rooms, and then we're going to show you another in a subsequent video, and then another, and then also compile them in a video later. But today's first room is actually the Terrace one-bedroom fountain view. Now, a little bit about Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan, of course, is located right in the middle of the main strip, in between Bellagio and Aria, and right across the street from Planet Hollywood. It is a busy destination. It's certainly busier lately since the restrictions have been lifted and they are back at full capacity. So it is certainly the place to be in Vegas. It's got a party vibe for the most part. But we're going to show you some great rooms. All these rooms in this series are very similarly priced, but they serve slightly different functions, and we're going to go through those as we go. But again, this first room we're going to talk about is the Terrace one-bedroom fountain view. We're going to start with the Terrace one-bedroom fountain view. So here you are, you see sort of the first part of the room. The living space is in the front. That'll be different, actually. Some of the rooms are designed slightly differently. But here we go with the living area right as you walk in. The Terrace one-bedroom fountain view is actually 610 square feet with a king-size bed. It features telescopic doors that separate the bedroom area back there from this living area. And also, you're going to see a little bit later, it features a Japanese soaking tub in the bathroom. But as you can see, here is some workspace and living space. It's actually really convenient and very actually comfortable. And in this area is actually the closet space before you get to the bathroom. And then again, you can see that doorway where the sliding doors can close and separate the bedroom sleeping area from the rest of the suite. So it's not a true two-room suite, but it kind of gives you that feel. And again, there's a lot of space at 610 square feet. So here's a look at the closet. You can see they got plenty of hangers. They do have the robes and the luggage case. They do have ironing boards as well, but it's definitely a lot of room to put your luggage. And again, this room in particular has a lot of living space as well. So here is one of the biggest difference you're going to find in these terrace rooms, and in this particular one, the terrace one bedroom fountain view, the shower area that leads to the Japanese soaking tub, which you see here, which is one of the very unique rooms actually out there. So this bathroom design is completely different than most. Here is the Japanese tub, and you can see the Japanese tub is right in front of the window, so you could soak in your tub and watch the fountain show out of the window. Again, this is a very unique feature for the Cosmopolitan Terrace rooms. This one is the one that has that element. The rest of the bathrooms you're going to see in the other videos are very similar. The showers are very similar. I do like the showers. The shower does not come with multiple heads, which is always, if you've seen our other videos, I love multiple head shower rooms, but it's certainly really good shower, very solid water pressure and everything else. But here's the living space that we talked about before. Big king size bed, really good and comfortable. And this design, the bed, the sleeping area is right by the sliding glass doors to get out onto the patio. And so this certainly is a little bit different from another design, and we'll wait till we get to the other design. But here you can see the tub is also kind of overlooking the bedroom area as well. So here is just another unique feature of this particular room, with the Japanese tub. So really fun kind of room actually, and unique in its style. And of course, it's still at the Cosmopolitan. So the Cosmopolitan is a unique hotel in and of itself because of the balconies that they do have. The sleeping area, the bed is very comfortable. It does have 2 lamps on each side, and the phone, of course. And they have got a good wake-up call system. It's one of the better ones, easier to use. And again, mentioned it before, 2 big screen television sets here. And then this is the sort of feel that you get for a 2-room suite. If you pull this sliding door closed, you shut the sleeping area off from the living area, and so that gives you a little bit of a sense of a true 2-room suite kind of experience with that particular feature. And again, the living area is pretty spacious in this particular design. So it's a good room, very solid. And of course, being at the Cosmopolitan is fun in any regard. And here we are looking out at the balcony and the view from the balcony at night, which is fantastic. So as you see the beautiful view from the balcony, we are going to have several other room videos from Cosmopolitan, so you get a feel for all the terrace suites. We were fortunate to stay in all three room types of the terrace, and so please hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Comment about your experiences and subscribe and like the video. It really helps us out a lot. So here you see the beautiful fountain show. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Media Cafe Travel.